Nothing like a good cup of coffee. If you're not a coffee drinker, get with it. And I'm not talking about all that fake stuff out there that costs you $1,000 a cup. But anyways, I got you a quick clip from last night's testing tune. This was the first pass on the diesel converter, so it's kind of tricky getting it off the line, but I think it did pretty good for the first pass. Uh, Had a little bit of a jolt there in the beginning because it loaded up pretty quick, but it did pretty good. Check out the video. All right, now that was the basically the first clean pass without transmission issues since the DI delete uh, from Nexsys. Now I'm not sponsored by Nexsys or any all that crazy stuff. I'm just sharing information out here because I'm just bored. You know, I like to work on the car and just share information. That's basically it. Um, but yeah, that was basically the first clean pass without having transmission issues. It's got this 6 HP 28 with the GuruAutowerkz adapter kit, and of course Doc Boo behind the keyboard, doing his thing. Um, I know it's got a low 10-second pass in it. Um, AITs are getting to us because I got a small intercooler, so I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade that. And if we have to go with some type of meth injection to help it with the AITs, we'll do that. The turbos may be maxed out at this point, but we'll take it one step at a time. If you guys are interested, let me know. I'll keep updating on the progress. But the Nexsys kit is on point. Um, right now, I'm loving it. So if you're on the fence and getting it, make sure you get all of your stuff together, all your right setup, the right tune, and you'll be good to go. Like I said, any comments that you have, let me know on the page, on the YouTube channel that I have now. That it sucks, but it gives you information. It's good enough for me.